One more time about the rates.
The box is $9.95 a month, but if you sign up for 6 months and pay by credit card, it drops to $7.50.
Too much math for me.
Right, well, that's the same as the $2.45 a month.
What would you do?
She likes him.
We're not interested in her.
He's quite the salesman.
One of his many talents.
Subject approaching. We got it.
Do I have to decide today?
No, of course not. Just take the form and let us know.
This form requires a lot of information.
This doesn't work.
Excuse me. What's the box?
401. The key doesn't turn.
401. What's your name?
Nelson. Was okay yesterday.
Oh, yeah. We had to change the lock. It was broken.
Was broken yesterday.
And your card's out of date. There's no address.
This is my address. That's why I rent the box.
Well, we need to know where you work then.
Ibrahim, I thought that was you.
Who the hell is that?
He followed the subject in.
Check Face ID.
It's been a long time. Don't you remember? We met at the conference at Suleiman's.
Oh, yes.
No match yet.
Got a gun?
Sure looks like it.
Our visitor has a weapon.
As soon as I'm done here with my business, I need to talk to you about something. If you are not too busy, would you like to get some coffee? Could go down the street.
Sir, we need an emergency contact, an employer, friend.
Come on, Mr. Nelson, just give us a name.
We're spooked. We're gonna lose him.
I'll come back later.
Pick him up.
Put your hands up. Put it down.
Everybody? I'm going.
Police, not do it. Hold your fire. I'm a federal agent.
Keep your hands where you can see him.
FBI. INS.
Secret Service.
Wasn't one of those guys supposed to be a terrorist?